Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close background running apps on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app and scroll down until you find the general. And once you have found it, simply tap on it. And from here, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled background app refresh. From here again, tap on background app refresh. And now if this feature is on, it allows app running in the background to use your Wi-Fi and cellular data. And to save data and battery life, I recommend turning it off. Now, even after you exit the settings app by swiping out, it doesn't mean that the app is fully closed. It's still running in the background. And to permanently close it, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and this brings up all the apps currently running in the background. And now to close an app, simply swipe up on it and you can close even multiple apps at the same time by using 2 or even 3 fingers to swipe up on several apps at once. It's a quick way to clear everything running in the background. And now that you have disabled background app refresh and closed all the running apps, your iPhone should be more efficient. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.